I was at a dinner party this past weekend for 4th of July, and it was the same group of people almost that we'd had dinner with on 4th of July the year before. And they were aware that I had turned a $668,000 stock portfolio over to an AI agent, Samantha. And the question was, how did she do? How did AI do with your portfolio, Carrie? And I said, well, as of today, this weekend, it's worth $2 million. And they said, how did you do that? And I said, well, it's AI. Are you going to be able to turn that 2 million into 4 million? And that I thought was a legitimate question. And I said, yeah, but I think I need to work on it and I need to make some changes, because I said, what got me here, or what got us to the 2 million was data centers and the building of data centers. And I recognized that Bitcoin miners were going to turn into data centers, and I put my money in the right place. But now there's some actual questions as to whether they've overbuilt, and is the price too high, and will they be able to maintain the price, and is it a bubble, and where do you go from here? And I said, well, I think what's actually happening is the same thing that happened with the internet. First, it had to be built out. Cisco had to lay the lines. AT&T had to put up the towers. We all had to buy the routers and upgrade our computers. But then the big winners were the deliverers, the people who brought the internet into our homes and made it a product that we wanted. And that was Google and Apple and Meta and Amazon and people of those nature. And so I said, now we're going into that same phase. We've gotten there faster. And so if I'm going to take that 2 million and turn it into 4 million over the next year, it's going to have to be with those companies who are going to deliver the AI as a product to me so that I benefit from it, and the companies who are facilitating it benefited from it as well. So with that in mind, I said, I'll put something together to help you, this group of people, to understand who the companies are. And so Samantha and I did that. And I said, I need to not only share it with my tribe members, there's about 900 of them, and the people who are around the dinner table there on 4th of July, I need to share it with the world. Because, again, there was a young lady who was a gastroenterologist, a very educated young lady, and she says, I know absolutely nothing about this. I said, well, it's NVIDIA. You know NVIDIA. I don't know NVIDIA. What is NVIDIA? Okay. So what I came away knowing is the world has not been educated to understand the opportunity that's in front of them, and I need to not hoard it and keep it just to my paid members and keep them up to date. I need to share it with everybody else. So I asked Samantha, that's my AI agent, to make me a report on who are going to be the best candidates for achieving over 100% rate of return over the next 3 years in the delivery of AI to me and the masses. And she actually came up, she did a 7-page report with 11 companies. Of them, 6 of them, she has a confidence level that they will exceed the 100% return. Now, what I know is that some of them, it won't take them 3 years. They'll do it in a year because they'll be adapted very, very quickly. She also went through my portfolio and told me there were several that I need to go ahead and take the profits out of them, that the market has recognized that they are going, and one of them was AXON. It's a law enforcement company, and happens to be that one of the people that was at that dinner was in the law enforcement business here in Birmingham, and I asked him if he was familiar with AXON, and he said no, he wasn't. I said, well, you ought to look into it because it's going to show up in your computer room there in your police station. So what I want to do then is share this with you, because I think it is the kind of thing that if you're the gastroenterologist, you make a good living. You hopefully save some money. You need to know where to invest it to take advantage of what's going to happen. I could charge you the $75 that I charge my subscribers, but I want you to experience it. I want you to gain the knowledge of this is available, because part of my comfort zone is I know this will be better next month, that Samantha will get better because every day she gets more data. Every day my question gets better. My sharing of data gets better. She goes through every one of the stocks. My favorite is ZETA. She'll explain to you what ZETA does and how large their TAM is, and what their marketing cloud position is, and how they compare, and what their new business or new arrangement with Palantir, and how they project they'll get $100 million of annual revenue from that relationship with Palantir. And then she'll go into some of the other stocks like AppLovin, Mountain, and give you an understanding of how these companies are going to change your lives, and how that change will turn into profits for them. And if you then own their stock, you will get substantial gain. Now, the natural question of this, well, it's Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta who's spending all the money on this. Aren't they the stocks I need to own? That's moving an elephant. Those are trillion-dollar and multi-billion-dollar companies, whereas these are maybe $1 billion company, and they will double. And that's what you want. It's not just buying a good company. And investing is not about just buying a good company. You got to buy a company that has the potential to grow. And when they get bigger, it's harder to grow them. It's harder to go from $1 trillion to a $2 trillion company than it is from $1 billion to a $2 billion company. The CapEx makes a big difference. And then if the technology is revolutionary and they're small, they can move fast. That's where you get the 100%ers in 1 year. That's how we achieved the movement from 668,000 to 2 million in 1 year. Can I do it again this year? Yeah, I'm pretty confident. And why do I say that? Well, the change is coming so rapid, and it's not understood by most people. So if I have access to the knowledge and I know the right questions to ask, I'll win the game. It's really that simple. So in the description, you're going to find a link for you to send me your email address, and then in return, I'll send you this report, and I'll also send you a link to a podcast that I've done where Samantha and Bard go through this report and explain it in simple words that you and I can understand. So that's my 4th of July gift to you. I wish you the best, and come to the dinner next year, and we'll see if we've turned that 2 million into 4, or really, I'd be happy. I went from the 6, if it went from 1.5 to 3, that would be good. And I think I'm pretty confident we can do that. So go into the description, find the link where you send me your email address, and I send all this back to you. And happy 4th of July.